A very big hello to all my wonderful second PUC champions. I hope my wonderful children are doing absolutely great. So finally, second PUC examination 1 is done and dusted. Most of you have got it ended yesterday itself, but some of you had your exams today and I hope it went well. Yes. So I also know one very important thing, which is why I would like to bail out, and that is, I know that I am pretty late in making this video. The answer keys are officially out and most of you might already know about it, which is why I'm telling you honestly. I was super busy with biology examination and then probably after that I just went and slept. So I'm so sorry from my end, but there might be some children who are still there who might not know about the answer keys being released officially. So this video is for you guys. Okay, and I hope others would forgive me. Okay, going ahead, over here we have the official website of KCET. You have to go ahead with PUC Student Corner. When you click on that, my dear children, what you can see over here is click here to submit objection to the scheme of evaluation of 2026 second PUC examination 1. So what do? You click on that, right? And now when you click on that, what you can see over here, click here to see the scheme of evaluation PDF files of second PUC. Click there, and over here you see number of subjects. Okay, whatever subjects examination you had, all of their names are over here. I'll go with biology. Okay, here the answers are clearly being mentioned. Go through it and get it checked. It's available for each subject. You do not need to use your desktop. You can use your mobile phones also for checking it out. Check it out, and it's always good to have an understanding of your mistakes so that you can rectify it. Okay, and for those of you who are there planning to write the next examination for improvement, I will be soon making a video on that. Make sure you watch it. It's going to be a super important video for everyone. All the rules associated with it will also be covered up there. Wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourself and let me know in the comment section, how are you feeling after your examinations are done? What's the next plan? Okay, what's the next plan? Do let me know. And my dear children, lots of love to all of you. Please take care of yourself. Enjoy your time for some time, and then prepare ahead for the next examination up there. That is your KCET or NEET or JEE, whatever is there. Yeah, but yes, please rest. Okay, so wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourself. Bye bye, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button for all such updates.